Hi everyone, and welcome back. It's James. Today I'm going to introduce a very interesting game that you can teach your students. It's called Spot It. Well, not exactly Spot It, it's called Flash Pair. I got this from a company called AliExpress. I'm going to bring up the camera so that you can see the pictures better, and I am going to explain how to play it. This game comes with instructions, and there are various ways to play it. But I'm going to show you the simplest one. Anyway, there are 55 of these cards, and there are 50 different symbols, pictures and words. Take a look. Sheep, tree, green duck, boat. So how to play this game? The object of the game is to match matching pictures or matching words. Let me demonstrate. 2 to 8 players can play this game. So let's say I have 3 players. I'm going to take the first card and face it up like this. Okay, watch, tree, boat, window, star, and train. Then I'm going to divide these cards into 3. Let's say I have 3 players. Just for demonstration purposes, I'll just do this. There might be more here than these. Anyway, once I've dealt out the remaining cards, I'll say 1, 2, 3. On 3, everyone turns over their first card, and they're going to see what picture matches the picture here. So it's a racing game. The person who's able to get rid of their deck the fastest is the winner. Take a look. What pictures match these? Tree, star. Well, there's a star here. So star and star, they are common. So it can be a picture and a word, or a picture and a picture, or a word and a word. So this person gets rid of this card, and here's the new card that they have to play. And this person turns over their card. Let's say this person claims star. So this person gets it. Okay, and now we have a new card. Spoon, horse, bell, bread, star, shoe. Oh, shoe. See, there is a picture of a shoe and the word shoe. Turn over your card. This is the new card. What matches this? Window, orange, fish, candy, apple, shoe. Nothing here. How about here? Window and window. So this person, let's say this person is fast and claims it. This person has to wait. Turn over. Now what matches this? A snowflake, window, bread, eye, socks, bed. Do you see any matching pairs? I do. Bed and bent. So let's say this person claims it. Hey, you're too fast. So here's a new card. Sheep, shoe, bed, box, watch, moon. Do you see a matching pair? I do. Box or moon. But let's say this person claims it, and he throws out his card, and he gets to turn over his top card. So this is the new card that they have to play. And the game goes on and on and on. So you have to make sure that your students can read the words. Make sure your students call out the word or picture. Don't let them get away with just, for example, here's a bug, box, window, hammer, duck, and bell. Don't let the student get away with doing that just because the word bell is there. Make sure they call it the word or the picture. And that's how to play this game. This is a great learning game. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.